Okay, so for condition assessment, I talk about the competence of the auditor. Also in material, yeah, also in design. Now in forensic, we also talk about the competence of the investigator. In building condition assessment, we call them assessor or auditor. In forensic, we call them investigator. But what's about the knowledge? Just similar. Yeah, familiarity building codes, specification, industry standard, understanding the structure and soil behavior, and so on. Yeah, I don't have to repeat again. Yeah, uh, high ethical standard, knowledge of legal procedure. This is something that different from others. Legal procedure. Uh, okay, what is this? Ability to collect data. This is the ability of how to uh, do data collection in high quality, integrity of data, integrity of method. Why? Because in forensic investigation, you need accuracy. Yeah, you need accuracy. You need a very very sharp fact because you want to present in the court. If we do something, we do test, but not in high accuracy, not in high reason reliability, then you get caught in a court. Get problem in a court. Not like condition assessment. Condition assessment, do not involve court. Maybe if you need mistake, you can repeat. But in forensic investigation, you cannot repeat. What you have got the data, what you have analyzed, what you presented, that's that what you have defend. You have defend in the court. Okay. We have done this one. Okay. Before we go further, for this forensic engineering, uh, let me just share some problem based on our experience when we do a lot of forensic investigation. We have done quite a number. I think more than 10 forensic investigation involving total collapse, and almost all of them involve fatal uh, accident. Meanings death, involve death. Okay, the first one, method statement. Method statement during construction, or method statement during renovation, or method statement during even demolition. So what is method statement? Method statement, we have already contract document between owner and the contractor. Contract document that bind your company or your part. In contract document it is stated how to produce or how to mix concrete, how to install steel structure, how to install bolt welding, drainage, and everything is in the contract document. But sometimes, for certain special installation or special fixings in the building, it is not specified in the context document. Then you need special method statement. Method statement. For example, maybe temporary false work, a special case. It is not mentioned in the general contract document. Then you need method statement to be provided by the contractor or by the supplier. And that method statement must be legally signed and submitted to the authority. And in investigation, forensic investigation, we will study this method statement whether it is adequate or not, whether it is appropriate or not, whether it is in accordance to the certain reference or not. If the method statement is not properly written and not followed by the contractor, then the blame will be on the contractor. If the method statement is written wrongly by the consultant, then the blame will be on the consultant. If there is no method statement, the blame will be on both contractor and the consultant. That's based on our experience. Communication. Yeah. Quite a number of failure was due to communication problem breakdown between different parties in construction site. You know, in construction site, as we know, we have contractor, we have subcontractor, we have supplier, we have special installer. We also have sometimes the owner of witness of the, and there are many parties and many people on site. Sometimes, there are more than 4 or 3 vendors or supplier, for bridge support, for bolting, for installer, for scaffolding, and these parties must be in well communication, in well coordination. Sequence of work must be communicated, must be coordinated. If there is no coordination, no good communication, then this is one of the cause of failure, collapse of the structure. Supervision. Supervision means supervision by technical personnel or by engineer. There are quite some site construction, no supervision at all. Works were done by the contractor, even by non-skilled labor. Yeah, I think I present some example in one of the topic next week. How lack of supervision can cause low quality, even accident in construction, failure of building, and of course basic engineering knowledge. Yeah, some failure was caused by lack of technical knowledge, lack of basic engineering knowledge by the supervisor. Design for rushing to complete. Yeah, when you rush to complete, maybe to get a payment quickly, then there will be no coordination. Yeah, when there is no coordination, then it will become the cause of accident. Material overloading during construction, and lastly is ethic and professional. Sorry, ethic and safety. Yeah, no awareness of safety. That's why, yeah, in construction site you must have one person, that is responsible for safety management inside. That's some example that we can share, on the lesson from failure.